Right, so once you open your scene, this is what you'll find. You'll see the car here. The car has some animation there. You can see it moves along. Okay, but before we take a close look at the car, we need to make a new project. Okay, so you can just open up this scene wherever you've got it downloaded. Go to new project. That's annoying when that happens. Let's try that again. File, new project, stretch it out, there we go, and give it a name. So I'm going to call it ABD week 3.4. let's do week, because we're doing 2, so I'll do weeks 3 and 4. Okay, and maybe underscore there, and then I'm going to save it into my D drive. Okay, and one thing I'm going to do here is, because we're providing the texture folder, I'm just going to click that and it won't generate a texture folder for us. Okay, because I don't want any, because we've got some of these, I think in the camera and some of the texture folders, we got a route going into our hip location, which is this, and then trying to find that text folder. And if we're copying and pasting, we might have 2. So just get rid of that, press accept. And then you'll have your roots there, and then take that text folder and literally just drop it in. Okay, and that will connect up there. Okay, and then save this, and then into your hip location. Okay, actually, if you go into job, yeah, that will drop you in the correct location, and then you can go in there and you'll see the textures. Okay, so go to job. And then give it a name. That's something else I was working on. ABD, and just as I called it, we can call this one just week 3. You might want to do week 3, and then when you start working on week 4, change the name, obviously. Okay, call that version 1. ABD week 3 version 1. Quick accept. There we go, and then we got that saved in there. Okay, so. And now everything should connect up. So if you go into your cameras, you should find there we got a camera, and that's our texture connected up correctly. So that shows me that the textures are being found correctly. Now I've actually come back to record this video after recording the other videos, because we decided to to provide you with this scene after the fact. And yeah, you'll see me moving the camera, so clicking this button and actually moving the camera around, but don't do that, okay, because we need the camera in this position for our render. Okay, so if you jump inside the FBX, you see a whole load of nodes, which is kind of scary, but we don't need to do too much with this. But you'll see here we've got a camera. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, so don't move that. And in here you can see it's connected up to this image. Okay, and we got some materials. So these are mantra materials which are connected, but we won't actually be using them to render. I will be using, if you go into your shop context, you'll see we got materials there for Redshift, which we'll be using to actually render the car, and this is all set up for you, ready to go. And then, yeah, just to take a look at the car itself. So we've got it's split up, so these are all different components of the car. Don't do anything with these. We'll just be importing these into the SOP context, into our own SOP context. And then we'll be grabbing, these are the wheels as well, so you can see right back for the wheels there. So we got 4 kind of clusters there for each of the wheels, the front and the back. And then this is the main transform here. And with that, you are good to go.